All right, welcome back. Those are great observations you made. Let's see what some of you came up with. So some of you might have come up with different ones, but as far as the qualitative observations are concerned, there's a plant, there is dirt or soil, the plant is green, the dirt looks grainy, the dirt is brown, the plant leaves are shiny. So those are all qualities that our object possesses. As you can see, there's no numbers associated with it. We're just describing kind of the characteristics that we can look at and see. Now over to our quantitative side. Plant has 5 leaves. If you looked closely at those pictures, the pot is about 6.5 centimeters high. If you maybe got a different measurement based on the picture, that's okay. It's probably close to that. The plant is about 8 centimeters tall and the pot is about 13 centimeters wide. Now what do you notice these all have in common? They all have a number value. So that's what we would expect. There's a quantity or a number that's associated with these. So good observations, guys. That was a really excellent attempt. Now look closely. Let's re-look at this. Are we looking? Are you looking? Are you really looking? Look close. Look close. That dirt is really good. It's really good dirt. I'm just having to swallow it down. Okay. Now, did you guys make observations or did you make inferences? Maybe you don't know the difference. Now, an observation is only what we actually see. An inference is based on our prior knowledge. It's us kind of assuming things or drawing conclusions based on what we are seeing. So what I want you guys to go do is I want you to go back to your observations and kind of re-look at those. How can we improve these? Because we didn't necessarily write observations. These are all inferences because did we know it was a plant? Spoiler alert, it's not really a plant. It's some plastic piece of foliage from, I don't know, an arrangement or something. Did you guys actually know that was soil? Did you actually know that this is a pot? It's actually a bowl for my kitchen cupboards. So how can we improve these observations? Well, it wasn't a plant. You cannot infer that or observe that. There is an object that's green. There is dirt. Nope. There is a brown substance. The plant is green. Well, the object is green. The substance is grainy. The substance is brown. And the object has shiny parts. Now look at the difference here. You guys assumed it was a plant because you know what plants are, you know what they look like. You assumed it was dirt because it had similar characteristics that dirt would have. But you did not know for a fact that it was dirt. So we cannot make those assumptions. Over to our quantitative data side, we're gonna make the same kind of changes. The object has 5, pieces or appendages. The container, we know it is a container because it can hold something. Container is about 6.5 centimeters high. The object is about 8 centimeters tall. And the container sorry, my handwriting's not that great on my small whiteboard, is about 13 centimeters wide. So now you're gonna go fix your observations in your own, in the next slide down, and actually look at them and figure out how you can improve them without drawing conclusions and making assumptions. All right, go fix those.